Don't go changing. You mean everything to me.
For me, love is regardless of the difficulties, regardless of the struggle, you still stick with that person. Just because it's not only about physical appearance, it's not always about happiness, but it's about trying to see how you can fix something or how you can fix that particular problem.
You grow stronger when we are apart. My love for you grows stronger when we are.
Pinapasalamat ko sa Panginoon kasi December 25 ako sinagot. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, ganoon kabait ang Panginoon sa akin kasi siya na yung may birthday, ako pa yung may regalo. At siya yun.
Build our own family. One day we will. But for now, wait. So I'll share your time for a time.
Ito na talaga, no, ang daming conflict na nangyari, how many times na parang hindi naman nag-away pero nagtalo kami just because we do have different ways of planning. Iba-iba yung gusto namin para sa wedding, pero yun nga yung sinasabi ko, yung love is that you have to compromise kung ano yung gusto ng partner mo. You have to give him or her a chance para naman mapagbigyan yung gusto niya. So it's trying to give for each other, hindi puro lahat sa'yo. So, ito na talaga yung inaantay natin. Akala natin hindi pa matuloy just because of a lot of problems. Yun nga, yung kulang sa oras ng preparation. Pero ito na talaga, finally.
Julie Jane, do you take Jade Earl here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Jade Earl, do you take Julie Jane here present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
It's hard. I've been waiting.
Jade Earl and Julie Jane, just believe that allowing God to write His storyline for you makes your life filled with perfect love, and you will live your married life happily ever after.
I've been waiting on this side.
Kakasal na tayo ngayong araw na to. Magpakatatag ako, walang iwanan. At lagi lang tayo mag-pray sa Panginoon na sana maging successful yung pagsamahan natin at sa ating pamilya.
Marami pa naman tayong pagdaraanan, no? Marami pa namang challenges sa buhay. This is just the beginning, so we really have to stick together.
strong when love is right. It's a patient heart with tired eyes.
Papangako ko na laging magpakabuti para sa'yo. Nandito lang ako palagi sa'yo. Kahit na malayo yung trabaho ko, lagi lang ako nandito sa likod mo na mahal na mahal kita at I love you.
Would do it all.
Regardless kung ano man yung pag-aawayan natin, importante lang is we always go back to each other. At magsisimula naman ulit. So, excited na para mamaya, ito na talaga. I love you always.